Organized Mom. I'm so excited to share this gift with you. This is a home hack anybody can do. It makes a great gift idea. Just wait until you see this. Meet my friend Sarah. She's been my best friend for 30 years. She is such an incredible human, and she definitely keeps me on my toes. Going through a tough time being a newly single mom and going through a divorce, and she's doing great keeping up with everything. This, I think, is a great opportunity for us to make something beautiful in her home that represents all of them. An incredible way to do this for them. Here's something super special that she can put in her home, something personalized for her walls. This is free paint I had laying around, and look at these. They're wood ovals for $1.18. So this is a super easy trick that anybody can do. I wanted to make portrait art. And I wanted to do it in silhouettes. Silhouettes were popularized in the 19th century as a quick and easy way to make a portrait if you didn't have a camera. But what I like about this is how vintage it is, and now this trend is really coming back. I think they're so cool. As you know, I love vintage and Victorian style stuff, and I'm starting to think that Sarah's liking it too. I took those wood ovals and I gave it a quick coat of paint, and then I wiped up the paint so you could see the wood grain through it. I let it dry and grabbed some gold paint. This is so easy to apply with a small paintbrush. I wanted to use these for our silhouette art. Sarah's dad took side profile pictures of her kids and sent them to me, and this is really easy to get silhouette art. You just want to play with the effects and get a clear edge on your image. Adjust the brightness and the shadow and the contrast. You just want to make sure the edge starts out in a clear way against the background so that the image itself doesn't have to look great. Then you want to hold your finger down on the picture, and this is going to create a sticker of it. It's super easy. I love technology. And just upload this to your Cricut Design Studio. From there, no skill required. It automatically converts it into a single layer silhouette. How cool is that? I decided to cut this on permanent vinyl for the most realistic and old school effect on matte. And then all you have to do is add some transfer tape over top so we can stick these right over the wood. This is so simple and fast, and I really think would make an awesome Christmas gift idea. I know these needed a little more personalization. So I took a beautiful scripty font and added her kids' names to the bottom of the boards. I love how it turned out. All three kids are represented, and it's such a personalized piece of art that you just couldn't buy anywhere. My friend, follow your heart.